Hello guys. So this is Samir and we are starting LWC from scratch today. So let's start with the introduction of LWC. So LWC is nothing but Lightning Web Components which is available in Salesforce, which is introduced by Salesforce on 2018. It is generally basis of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and it is an user interface tool which will help a good user view for the users to creating UI like this. As you can see, there are UIs available on this page. Like today's event, we can just create this type of custom UIs by using LWC. We can attach that UI to the our record page and wherever we want in Salesforce ecosystem for the user accessibility or something like that. So let's start without wasting any time. First, we will go and see where we can use like how we can use the LWC. First, we need Visual Studio. So to run our LWC code, and after that we will need another app which is Salesforce CLI, which we need for integrate Salesforce to VS Code, and then third we need to create a developer or and connect it. So let's start one by one. First, for seeing the LWC, we need to install the VS Code. So I have attached on this link. So here you can see if you have like MacBook, then you need to download this version, Mac OS 10.15 plus. And if you have Windows 10, 11, wherever, whatever, then you need to download this version. If you have any Ubuntu or something like that, so Linux, you need to download any of these as per for your requirements. So when you click on this download, it will redirect you to like this, and your download will start. As you can see here, downloading has started. So after downloading, you need to install it in your system. You need to install it. So I have already installed this VS Code. As you can see on my screen, I have already installed it. So you need to install it. After that, you need yeah. So after installing, you can open it in your all. As you can see the instruction here. And after installing the VS Code, you need to install Salesforce Extension Pack, which is available here. Like, you need all these extensions to connect with the Visual Studio Code to the Salesforce Extension Pack. Yeah, as you can see, I have already installed it as well. So you need to install it, and after that, after the installation, you need to install the Salesforce CLI as. I have attached the link here. You can see. You need to go to this link developer.salesforce.com tools/Salesforce CLI. For the it is same for the same download for Windows 64-bit. You can see it also has three options. You need to if you have Linux, you can download. Click on Linux and it will show this button here. Download for Linux 64. Same for the Windows because there are old Windows which doesn't support 86 version, so you can download the 64. And then there is the option for the Mac OS. After that, After the installing of Salesforce Extension Pack and then installation of Visual Studio Code, and then Salesforce CLI, we need to verify our org. First, we need to create a project by using Control Shift and P as a shortcut. You need to just type your SFTX, which stands for Salesforce. After the installing of all these packs, you will see this type of command line, and you need to type here as authorize an org. No, first create a project. Create project with manifest. When you click on them, it will show a name label for your org. Like I will see it like for hello Salesforce, and I'll click enter. Yeah, first we need to select standard. After we need to select hello Salesforce. We need to give your name. After that, it will ask you to select directory to store it. So I'll just select this any of my like folders. So I have selected one. Then it will creating a new project folder for me for this particular format. Yeah, as you can see, a folder is created with a lot of customization for Salesforce. Like it has VS Code extensions, config files, Force app, which includes all our Salesforce data, just like the applications or and then there is this is the Apex classes, and there is the context assist and the flexi pages, layouts, LWC, objects from our Salesforce system, and the permission sets. Then this is the static resources from our system, and then there is tabs, and these are triggers, and all these things are here. So the main thing is in this folder is this Force app. Inside this, all our things are available. After that, yeah, for like connecting a Salesforce account. In the module 2, we can, as we can see, there is an we need to create an or for to connecting the Salesforce to the Visual Studio Code. So here I have attached a link to create a developer org. So first trying all these, you just need to create an org and verify it by using your email. And after that, it will give direction to like I have already created this account. You need to like fill up. Okay. Yeah. So after filling all these details, you need to give your name, first name, last name, email, your role. What is your role? You can attach as developer because you're working with the LWC, which is a development part for the Salesforce. You can give any company name you want. One where you need to go add a region where you will stay, where you are living, which country, and then there is a postal code of your area, and you need to provide every time a unique username, which is not available in the Salesforce ecosystem yet. And after the clicking of this checkbox, you will click on sign, and you will receive an email in around 10 minutes for your on the given email ID. So after that you can create an you will receive a link where you will need to create a password for that, and it will ask a security question, which is most important. If you forgot the password, then that question is the answer you will type, where do you live, is there some kind of city name that should be correct. After giving that, you will get logged in. I have already created my account. As you can see, I have just started with it. This is it. Okay, so let's connect VS Code. So for the connecting VS Code to the Salesforce environment, we need to just type Control Shift P SFTX authorize and or. Yeah, as you can see, authorize and or is coming. And then this is a production because it is a default. So you need to every time select the production one and give an alliance name. So I'll just type it like hello Salesforce. So it is starts authorizing an org. It will take some time and like just with this, it will open the new Chrome browser or something with the browser you are using. You need to just type the ID of password that org which you want to connect. Like I'm typing the name of my org is my company at youtube.com, and then I have already filled the password. When I click on login, yeah, it will ask me allow access to these things. Allow access to the identity URL services, manage user via web browser, APIs, perform user, perform request at any time. You need to allow it and you will be ready to go. Yeah, authentication successful. You successfully logged in. You can now close this browser tab. This type of notification will come when the successfully authentication is completed. You need to close it and you can see I am seeing here hello Salesforce, which is my Salesforce org. When I click on this open org, there is two options like how many orgs I have authorized. So I have already um I have already authorized multiple orgs. This one is one right now we have authorized, you can see it here. If you will authorize multiple orgs from the uh, VS code, you can all see them here. Okay, we will open this out from without logged in by VS Code. So it will take some time to loading and then boom, it's opening. Okay, it was taking some time to load because of my internet connection. I think we just need to refresh it. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will take some time to load. Yeah, so it is loaded now. As you can see, we have opened it by VS Code. Our Visual Studio Code, we have opened our Salesforce ecosystem.